everyone who is here to go there to take a look at what Goa has to offer, and also tell your friends and colleagues to go and again see the pavilion that Goa has put forward in the QTM. Of course, Goa, everyone knows, and I think Mr. Khalid has also captured beautifully, although one small part of Goa. But we all know how famous Goa is for its culture, for its cuisine, for being fun-loving, for beaches, for churches, for natural beauty, and many more things. The good thing I feel is that here in Doha, we don't really have to sell Goa because people are already aware of what Goa has to offer. And I think many Qataris and others, other nationalities who are living here, many of them always tell us that it is a dream for them to be able to visit Goa. And that is, I think, because of the various offerings which Goa has to give, and one of them being the fun-loving part of Goa. But I think also many of the places which are there in Goa, and some of the beautiful properties which have come up or are coming up in Goa, I think that can really promote tourism to Goa. On our part in the embassy, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, the Government of India has given a task to all our missions to keep working on 3 T's. And those 3 T's stand for trade, tourism and technology. So it is our mandate to promote our states. The other thing that Government of India has done is to also ask all of its embassies to also focus on states. So it's always great for us in the embassy when we get some delegation from a state, and today we are very happy that Honorable Minister is here. But together with him, there are also people from Goa who have come to Qatar for participating in QTM, as well as looking at what could be there in terms of trade opportunities. This is again something that we really value, and our embassy would be always there to help the Goan community, the state of Goa, in whatever manner we can in terms of promoting tourism and trade.